GSI AMTAS is not designated as a sterile device. Non-disposable parts of the system, including headphone cushions and headband, bone vibrator, and the touchscreen, which are in direct contact with the patient, need to be disinfected between patients. This includes physically wiping down the equipment that comes in contact with the patient by using a disinfectant approved by your facility. Use of a non-alcohol-based disinfectant is recommended. Non-alcohol-based products contain the active ingredient referred to as quaternary ammonia compound, or a hydrogen peroxide cleaner may be used. The quaternary ammonia compound and hydrogen peroxide are specifically designed to disinfect rubber, plastic, silicone, and acrylic products, which are commonly used in hearing evaluation instruments. This concludes the tutorial on GSI AMTAS Pro. If any additional questions arise, please consult the user manual, contact your local distributor, or contact GSI.